Hello, gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video. In my mini savings video, I have my $50 and my 6-7 challenges that goes to my revolving sinking funds. So let's get started. Let's start off by putting these two $5 bills in here. Perfect. And let's roll our die. And how are you guys doing? Are you enjoying the holidays? I think by the time I get this out, it will be Saturday, I believe. Fingers crossed I get it out by then. So happy Saturday. Okay, 4. 4 is taking all the money. Oh my goodness. 6. 4 again. 1. 5. 1. 6. Can we get a 3? No, a 1. Okay. A 5. And come on, let's get a 3. Let's get a 3. We got a 6. And we're going to put these last 2 bills for 3 because 3 didn't get anything. All right. Let's stack all these up. Let's start off with that one. It is crazy how it's already July. And we are doing this Juneteenth, created by me. This was free in my Kofi. And we are going to color in these. We got 2 bills, so just 1 circle. Did I make? Yeah, I think I made each one $2. I hope so. Okay, it should be $16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, $16. All right. Next we have, this is also created by me. You can find this in my Etsy. And this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So $12. What kind of ice cream should we make? Let's do like a, what's that called? Superman ice cream, I think it's called. $12. So did I say 12? I think I did. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, $12. So let's do this 3. So let's do it red, and let's do a little blue because I think it's in it. Yeah, I think it's Superman. And let's make it a little red, white, and blue. So that's 3. Let's do, I don't know no other ice cream flavors. Let's do like a lemon one. Ew. Six, 7, 8. Let's do another lemon. 8. 9. I forgot where we at. Well, I said 11. Oh my gosh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's do 2 cones. Perfect. Okay, that's 12. Let's add that to here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh, this is going to be a nice little savings. $20 so far. We got 2, 4, 6, 8 more dollars. All right, next we have this one. It's created by Bookish Mama Budgets, and today got $1, 2, 3, $4. Oh, we're so close to finish this one. 2, 4. We just need 2 more dollars. And they got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Why did I just get out of breath like that? $30. And I am thinking about revamping my binders and some of my how I'm saving something. So stay tuned for that because it's going to be a little changes. This one is also completed by Bookish Mama Budgets, and they got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So $6. So 2, 4, and 6. I can remember if these was $1 or $2, but I believe it's $2. Yeah, $6, $7, $8 in here. All right, next we have, oh no. This one is created by Budget with Carly. And, oh, we just now starting this one. Let's make each cloud $1. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16. Should I do $1 or $2? Let's do $2. And that will be $32. Thought I heard someone calling my name. And so far I got one. Oh no, we got a savings boost. Oh God. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So $12. So let's do 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What did I just say? Oh my gosh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I was about to keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, $12. Okay. All right. And the challenge that was taken out of the money today is also created by Budget with Carly. Did this one get a savings boost? No. All right. I think it was I'm going to say, which other one got the savings boost? Okay. So this one today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So $14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. So we got 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25 so far. I need to condense this. All right, so that is it for this week mini savings for the first week of July. So I am going to count up. This is my completed mini savings from the month of June. And I'm just going to calculate it for you guys to see how much was completed and saved. So we have $40 here. We have 30. We have 14. 30, 32, 25, and 36. So for the month of June, with these mini savings, which is $50 a week that I do, I save a grand total of $207, which I am going to put, some of this will go towards my daughter's birthday, and then some of this will go towards I'm gonna look through my sinking funds and see which categories needs a little boost. So that is all, gems. All right, thank you once again for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And oh, gems, check out my Etsy shop. I did upload a new Etsy drop, and it's another saving challenge box called Gem City Supermarket. So give it a look and see if you like it or not. So that is it. Remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.